that middle need?
Yeah. The back and the front will do the same height. If you want to get a ruler and measure them. So it's not been swapped, has it?
No.
Although it wouldn't really matter if it had.
I mean, it's even number of mains stamped into the side of the block.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can't really...
So you can't go. There's a, like you say, the bear. It's good.
It started to break up.
Yeah.
Ain't as bad as that.
Get back up there, can't we?
Yeah, this one really had.
They like fine speed, but they've all got a bit.
Yeah.
Hot twisted anyway.
And a block of hardwood.
Yeah.
It was going.
Was it?
Mm.
Oh.
Just poking its head out.
Is it giving birth?
Yeah. This breed.
Yeah. Read it.
It's away now, mate. That's good. I'd say top ring were out, but I don't think there's much of a fuck up. Oh, let's bring it liner. Go on. What's left on it anyway?
What's left of it? Just checking.
Everyone will win it. Yeah, she's good. Ooh.
That's had some fucking pain.
Yeah.
Hey?
What's wrong with this picture?
What's wrong with it?
Fucking hell, looks like one of my two-stroke motorbikes with a thrash fuck out on it, that does.
You're right at it, son, aren't you?
Yeah. Well, I've had many a piston like that in a two-stroke, I have.
Oh dear.